Welcome to Grade 8, Unit 1. Well, every unit in Green Ninja has a roadmap image like this one. We actually call this one our unit core sample. It shows us the entire sequence of learning at a glance. This unit is really about a mysterious change that happens on Earth, a major mass extinction event in Earth's history that we can observe in the fossil record. We really dig in to what the evidence is for when this change happens, and to do that, we'll learn about geologic time. But equally important, what's the evidence that we have to reveal the cause of this change? And that evidence lies trapped within the layers of rock. The cause that we discover is a giant object from the asteroid belt crashing towards Earth. To understand where this object came from, we learn about different size objects in our solar system and how gravity holds them together in orbits. And then there's the collision involving Newton's laws. We embark on our journey through Earth's history at the very beginning, as shown in the bottom layer of our core sample. We look at photos of Earth taken from space to launch our lessons and our exploration of other bodies in the solar system. We study gravity as a non-contact force, explore how bodies in our solar system orbit one another, and even zoom in to see how our solar system orbits the center of the galaxy. Back in our own solar system, we look at the scale of different objects in it, including asteroids orbiting the sun in the asteroid belt. Could one of them hit us here on Earth? Has it ever happened before? To answer that question, we need to look at how the rock layers record the sequence of past events on Earth, including major events like asteroid impacts. We look at the rock layers and fossils from the major mass extinction of the dinosaurs and uncover abundant evidence to support the claim that an impact was to blame. To predict some of the effects of an impact, we expand our understanding of forces by studying Newton's laws, including the second law about equal and opposite reactions. Students then learn to program a simple simulation of colliding objects using a block coding program like Scratch. They use their program and computational thinking to answer the question, what can people do to avert a disaster from an impact? That simple coding exercise prepares them for the last part of the unit, to animate the entire history of the Earth, up through and including the present with all of our human-caused changes. The students start with a simple storyboard, and then they program this animation using block coding and Scratch. With this whole sequence of changes, what can humans do to maintain stability and decrease our impact on the planet? Now that we know our own sequence of learning events, let's get started.